Hi, today we are going to study about gravity. Gravity is the force by which a planet or other body draws objects toward its center. The force of gravity keeps all of the planets in orbit around the Sun. Gravity is a fundamental interaction which causes mutual attraction between all things with mass or energy. Gravity is by far the weakest of the four fundamental interactions, approximately 1038 times weaker than the strong interaction, 1036 times weaker than the electromagnetic force, and 1029 times weaker than the weak interaction. As a result, it has no significant influence at the level of subatomic particles. However, gravity is the most significant interaction between objects at the microscopic scale, and it determines the motion of planets, stars, galaxies, and even light. Why do you land on the ground when you jump up instead of floating off into space? Why do things fall down when you throw them or drop them? The answer is gravity, an invisible force that pulls objects toward each other. Earth's gravity is what keeps you on the ground and what makes things fall. Anything that has mass also has gravity. Objects with more mass have more gravity. Gravity also gets weaker with distance. So, the closer objects are to each other, the stronger their gravitational pull is. Earth's gravity comes from all its mass. All its mass makes a combined gravitational pull on all the mass in your body. That's what gives you weight. And if you were on a planet with less mass than Earth, you would weigh less than you do here. You exert the same gravitational force on Earth that it does on you. But because Earth is so much more massive than you, your force doesn't really have an effect on our planet. Gravity is what holds the planets in orbit around the Sun and what keeps the Moon in orbit around Earth. The gravitational pull of the Moon pulls the seas towards it, causing the ocean tides. Gravity creates stars and planets by pulling together the material from which they are made. Gravity not only pulls on mass but also on light. Albert Einstein discovered this principle. If you shine a flashlight upwards, the light will grow imperceptibly redder as gravity pulls it. You can't see the change with your eyes, but scientists can measure it. Gravity is very important to us. We could not live on Earth without it. The Sun's gravity keeps Earth in orbit around it, keeping us at a comfortable distance to enjoy the Sun's light and warmth. It holds down our atmosphere and the air we need to breathe. Gravity is what holds our world together. Thanks, we will meet with next topic.